So we got the square body here in the heat. We have a little bit of a problem. Yeah, too much tire gap. The quickest way to raise the attitude on these trucks is to lower the altitude. And to do that, we got a whole pile of parts right here. So we got an axle flip kit for the rear, which would be a 5-inch drop, and then 2-inch drop spindles and 2-inch drop coils. So we got a 5.5 drop total. So after doing some looking, we decided that we're going to drop the front leaf springs and then take and walk the axle forward, get it on top of the leaf springs, and then walk it back. Yeah, yeah. So a couple days ago I was scrolling through Marketplace, like I'm sure every car guy who has too many projects does, and I found these. So these are a set of Eagle 16s, and they have what do they have on them? They have two 4550 R16s, so they're a little bit small on the tire side, but I think the wheels will look good. So definitely going to be looking for some bigger tires, but these will work great for now. And I'm sure this thing will just roast those tiny little tires. So I just got the wheels and tires mounted up, and they don't look too bad. The fronts fit pretty decent, but a bigger tire would still look good. The rears definitely need to be bigger, and the back spacing is a little bit off, so. Not the final wheels, but they'll definitely look great for now. Axle flip kit went in without a problem. If you couldn't tell from the B-roll, we took and we dropped the leaf spring on the driver's side, walked the axle over top, and then jacked the whole axle up, and then we were able to slip it through the frame gap right there. Definitely I'm going to have to C-notch it, but that's something I can weld up without an issue. So if you didn't know, there's actually 2 different spindles for the fronts of these trucks, and that depends on the size of your brakes. So before you order spindles, come in here and measure the thickness of your rotor. There's 1 inch and 1 1/4 inches. The bearings inside your rotor are actually different sizes, so they're not interchangeable. I learned that the hard way. But once I got the right spindles, they went on no problem. The one problem I have is the control arm mount for the steering is rubbing on the inside of the rim. So I'm going to have to pop the rims off, grind that down a little bit, and that shouldn't be a problem. I still got to figure out shocks, but that's not something that's super high in the priority list right now. But the whole kit is from Western Chassis, and all the links for the parts will be down in the description below. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy what you see, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, and until next time, let's LS swap the world.